As stated previously, under Title I, individuals must meet a certain criteria. And if they do not meet that criteria, individuals are not covered by the ADA Title I employment. So those not covered by the ADA are, again, those who do not meet the criteria. Some criteria are people who are in categories such as being transvestites, homosexuals, pedophiles, exhibitionists, voyeurs, if they have a gender disorder or anything not caused by a physical impairment and any other sexual behavior disorders. The ADA further excludes anyone who's an illegal drug user, a compulsive gambler, a kleptomaniac, pyromaniac, and alcoholics whose alcohol prevents them from performing their duties in employment.